Conditions develop and change. Access us online at weather.com for the latest updates. And take us with you if you have to take cover with the Weather Channel Mobile. The Weather Channel, the Severe Weather Authority. Through the storm and beyond. The Weather Channel, the Winter Weather Authority. Now your local on the 8s.
A blizzard warning and a flood warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 22 degrees with heavy snow and windy conditions. Our local Doppler radar.